Okay, let's look into the different terminology being used in immigration and visa industry. One is migration or immigration, second one is a residency, and the third one is a citizenship. Migration means that you are moving from your home country to a new country for a work or a study, but you are still holding a passport to your home country, and you are never in a position to obtain the residency or a citizenship of that country. For example, Indian citizens who are working in Gulf area, UAE area since last many years are on migration basis. They are holding an Indian passport and they have a work permit of that particular country, and they are not a resident or citizen of UAE. The second one is the residency. That means it can be called as a green card in the US terminology. It can be called permanent immigrations or permanent resident visa, whatever the terminology you use, but that gives you an indefinite right to live in that country, to do the business, to study, or start your own business, work for somebody, work for multiple companies. You can go to the school, you are entitled to the reduced fees, but still you are holding a passport, your home country, for example, of in India. But that residency can convert into a citizenship. So if you have lived for a certain number of years in United States, say for 5 years, you are obtaining from a green card to a citizenship. If you are living 3 years in Canada, then you are obtaining from Canadian permanent immigration to the citizen of Canada. Similarly, in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Ireland, and in many countries, you can obtain the residency and then a citizenship. And then the third terminology is citizenship. Many countries do give directly a citizenship by investment. Some of the countries which give you a direct citizenship are Caribbean countries such as St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, Antigua and Barbados, Grenada. Some of the European countries which gives you direct citizenship is Bulgaria, Malta, Cyprus. And if you make certain amount of an investment either into government bond or a real estate or a donation to the government, and you can obtain the passport of that country. As India doesn't allow the dual citizenship, and as soon as you obtain the citizenship of any country in the world, you would be required to surrender the Indian passport. And once you surrender the Indian passport, you may apply for the OCI card, Overseas Citizen of India card, and you can come back and stay permanently or go in and out of India as and when you like. So it's very important to understand the three terminology.